Hi everyone, welcome to my mom's channel. Thank you for your wonderful support. She now has over 10,000 views and over 250 subscribers. Thank you all. Today we are making a quick and easy watermelon smoothie. You can also use pineapple and mango, which freezes quite well. We've frozen the watermelon approximately a liter into the freezer overnight. We've chopped it into smaller chunks and we've removed the seeds. We also need a small bowl of ice, approximately 100 milliliters to 150 milliliters. 2 stems of mint, which can be adjusted to your preference. A tablespoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of honey. Okay, so we'll pop this all into the blender or food processor. You can also use chia seeds or hemp seeds. A fruit smoothie is a healthy alternative to the ice creams and jellies and custards we typically have in our homes. So we'd like to start 2021 off on a healthier note, and this is just the way to do it with a nice refreshing fruit smoothie. We'll go slow at first just to crush down the ice a bit, and then we can increase our run times between spins. So this is the consistency of your smoothie. The ice has crushed into the watermelon and it's nice and soft. If you want the consistency to be a little weaker, then you can add a half a cup to a 3/4 cup of water. And yeah, we have a refreshing watermelon and mint smoothie. Here you go, your watermelon and mint smoothie. It's refreshing for those long, hot summer days. It's a nice, healthy option. You can also freeze it into ice cube trays and make ice lollies, or you can keep it in the fridge and indulge as and when you please. Wishing you all a very happy and healthy 2021. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on my mom's YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy.